Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am Keena the Realtor with Jefferson Property Group, powered by NB Elite Realty. So welcome to Tuesday Tea. My herbal tea blend for today is a slice of lemon and some dices of ginger. That's it, very simple. Very good balance. It's refreshing to me. And one of my favorite go-to teas in the morning to get me started for the day. So I want to speak to the community as we face the COVID-19 pandemic. As I got on my face this morning in prayer, as Moses, Abraham, and Jesus did in the Bible, I want to talk to you about restore and restoration. So take this time to restore balance in your family, restore balance in your life, and restore balance within yourself during this time of social distancing. So what does that look like for you? I don't know. I don't know what that would look like for you. But what I do have 3 tips for you today to get you started on your journey to restoration. Tip number 1. Today, or in the coming days, I have all these notifications coming in, sorry. In the coming days, take 15 minutes out of your day and do a self-inventory. Ask yourself, what am I really struggling with today? Listen to your thoughts that manifest during the time of your silence and write them down. Next, ask for clarity and a step-by-step plan and journal that plan in your 3-ring binder or notebook pad. I don't have mine near me, but yeah, get a 3-ring binder, notebook pad that you could write all your ideas, your goals, and your plans down. And finally, when you receive these thoughts or this plan from, I say God, because I'm a Christian, or you may say the universe, or the power within, I don't know, but for me and my family, we serve God. We serve Jesus. You want to write that down and then implement that plan. Implement the stuff that was manifested to you. So, for self-love, I want you to set your timer for 60 seconds. Set your timer for 60 seconds. Take your arms and just wrap them around yourself and give yourself a big hug. Acknowledge who you are and then love yourself. Just love yourself. Close your eyes and just think positive thoughts and feel the embrace of your love. Clear your thoughts of negative thinking, negative self-thought, and most importantly, just stay there for 60 seconds in silence and hug yourself. When the last time you gave yourself a big hug? Last but not least, if you're feeling isolated, a little depressed, a little cabin fever, set your timer for 60 seconds. And I want you to practice the 1-minute smile. What does this look like? Is you just sit there. You can sit in front of a mirror, or you can just sit there and just, even if you're not feeling happy, just smile. It may seem, it may feel a little uncomfortable, but trust me, just smile. Take some deep inhales, some deep exhales, in and through your nose, and smile. 60 seconds, try that. So that's my 3 tips for today. I do want to leave you with 2 scriptures. I'm going to look away from the screen so I could give you these scriptures just for you to meditate on if you feel it's needed for you. So it's Amos 9:14. It says, "And I will bring my people Israel back from exile. They will rebuild the ruined cities and live in them. They will plant vineyards and drink their wine, and they will make gardens and eat their fruit." So this is only a period of time as we go through this pandemic. So let's look and be positive and look forward to what's to come. Last scripture, but not least, is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declared the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, and plans to give you hope and a future. So for those who are experiencing job layoff or any other fears that you're going through, just meditate on that as you go through this and to decrease stress in your life. So with that being said, I wish you peace, joy, and happiness and restoration during this time. If you like what I'm saying, give me some comments below. If you want me to speak more on this topic, please leave it below. And if you have any prayer requests, please, you could DM me. I have a Facebook group called Are You Living that talks about balancing and bringing balance to your mind, body, and spirit. You could join me over there. And last but not least, I ask and pray that you have a peaceful day and a peaceful and blessed week. Until next Tuesday. Namaste. God bless you.